He's back. Oh, bird fight. There you go, Woodpecker. There he goes. You know, fighting? You got babies up in there? Oh, you're going. Uh-oh, flew him out. He's got to have babies in there. He ran that woodpecker out. Must be something tasty in there. That woodpecker wants that branch. Oh, he's gonna run him off again? He must have a nest in there. Tell him, stay away from your babies. Plenty of other trees around. Why does it get blurry when I try to zoom in? Oh, there you go. I think he's got a nest in here. Sometimes I hear like little squeaks and squawks. Just keep that woodpecker away from it. That's a high climbing woodpecker right there. Oh. Now he's bothering that bird over there. Winnie the Woodpecker, what are you doing? Wonder why the woodpecker wants to get up in there. Good worms? Steal his house? I think he's got some babies in there. Oh my god, the woodpecker went back. I think he went in there. What the heck? So is it the woodpecker's house or the other birds? The drama continues. Oh my god, there was something in there and it moved and I missed it.
Right up there in the top.
That was the real bird drama.